welcome back to another video, and today we are with Rocket and we are eating Juno, and we are eating the elk carcass that we just killed. Juno's being playful. Hi Juno, you're so sweet. And now I've realised how big Rocket is. Wait, let me do. Look how big Rocket is. Like, compared to Juno, he's massive. Like, he's like a very big wolf. Yeah, he's got strength +1. His only weaknesses really is his health. Okay. Good job, you two. Oh, it's really pretty here. Oh yeah, we need to get the pups lunch, don't we? So there is an animal around here with a baby. Can we find it is the question. No, the music has gone. Are you here? There we go. Music's back on. In here. Wonder what baby this is. I really hope it's an elk baby, because it is an elk baby. Right? You're just not, you're a mother elk, aren't you? Yeah, mother and baby elk. Right. The music's gone? Okay, it's back. Let's find this elk, because this would be so helpful. In here, please. I really want this. It's been so helpful. Oh no, it's gone. Wait, is the music actually gone? Or is it just because... Where has she gone? I want to keep track of her. Because I don't know which ones I'm not going in. I am going in. Please be one of these. It's getting a little bit glitchy. I can't find anything. Please, please. No. Where's the elk? Where's the elk gone? There we go. Back. I feel like I've looked in all of these. Nope, that's not it. That's a rabbit. No? Where are you? Yeah? Where are you? I literally can't find them. Okay. There's male dispersal wolves. I don't like that. Still need to find this baby. This baby. Oh. I feel like I've been here for years doing this, but it's an elk baby, and it's been so helpful. What? Right, I can't find this baby. I can't find this baby. I've literally been here for almost 4 minutes looking for this stupid baby, and the music's not even here anymore. Don't know where the music. Oh, I think we have to give up. Okay, where? Oh, the music's come back on. I just want to get lucky and just like run into one. Can't see anything. Oh, my minor injury healed. I think we're gonna have to give this up. I can't find anything. It's kind of annoying because it was an elk baby. Literally can't find it though. So hopefully we come across a moose, because that would be even better. Can we smell any moose from this way? No. No. Really hope we stumble upon, because our pups are hungry. I guess we could regurgitate, but I'd much rather they have a fresh meal, but you know, doesn't always work out. I don't know what I'm doing. Our den's up there though, it's kind of annoying. I really wanted to hunt for our pups, but I guess we just can't. But I really want to. Wait, but they're really hungry. Is there anything up here? I'll be so hopeful if there is. Please. No. No. Nothing. Can't see anything. Yeah, we're just gonna have to go home to our pups. Because they're hungry. Right. Hi Arlo. Sorry I didn't get you some fresh food. Who's hungry? I know you're hungry. Oh, Bambi's hungry. So it's pumpkin and mango. Just get them a little bit more. Oh, that really took that. All that searching really took it out of Rocket. He's really tired now. Oh, Rocket, you got such a sad little howl. You like puppies? Getting the generation 3 nice and fat. Guys, almost done. Hunger. Pumpkin's still hungry. Okay, so Arlo is 14.9 now. Pumpkin and Atlas are 14.3. Bambi's 14.3. Mango's 14.2. Olive 14.6. Yeah. So Mango's come behind a little bit. That's okay. Hi pups. Can no one see like the eyebrows Trinity has? Like I wonder what that look like on when she's an adult. Yeah, 100% now. We'll have 400. Everyone's kind of not really. That's health. Yeah, that's health. I'm looking at the wrong thing. Trinity, come up. You can't go hunting just yet. Okay, I think we're gonna go sleep because Rocket is so tired. So dreaming about ravens and getting hit by cars and bears. Oh, that mother has 4 cubs. Dear. Oh, and a shoe. Morning, puppies. With you inside. Go. And let's call Juno. Wait, how big is everyone? Trinity's almost 16 pounds and we're still waiting on Mango, Pumpkin, Atlas, Bambi. That's really it. Come on. That's right, let's go this way. Gonna look for the pups because they are hungry. Try and get them a nice fresh meal for them to enjoy. And that sounds much nicer. A nice fresh meal, but like, you know what they should do? They should really have bison babies, like, you know, but you couldn't carry them back to the den because they'd be like too heavy or something, you know. Or maybe there should be a mechanic where you and your mate can both carry them, like, you know, because so maybe you can run a bit faster than moose, and that's, you don't really need that for anything else. Bison babies would be cool. We need that in the game. Bison babies. I think all the bison in this game are male. What is running over in the distance? Is it food? What's a moose? Oh, it's got a baby, yes! Come here, baby. Yes. No, no, no. Ow, ow, ow. Come on, Juno, help. I was like, something. This is our pup's food. Come on, Juno, get it. Yes, 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 yes. Let's bring us back to our pups. We're pretty close. Oh, did I not? No, no, Juno, don't you dare. I know. Where's the mother? Okay, the mother's over there. Let's go back. I think we're pretty close. Yeah, we're pretty close. We've gone past the rendezvous site. Oh, is that a mama elk? Yes, it is. Oh, I think I'm gonna come back. Wait, I'm just gonna mark this on. Mother elk. Oh, that was a bit. There we go. And after we can come back and hopefully she will be there. So mother and baby. No. Oh yeah, there you go. We're not hunting her just yet though. I mean, we could hunt her and then hunt the baby. We could, because we're hungry as well, and then that'd be an easy source just to go back and forth to, you know? Because it's really close. I don't know. Guess we'll have to find out, won't we? Come on, hurry up, Rocket. I know it's effort. But we can do this, and then you're going to get a nice, juicy elk. And you're also, I think we're going to wolf the pups back inside and then go straight to the mum elk. And then your babies are also going to get some elk as well, so you have to keep trying. You have to keep trying, Rocket. Oh, I see the den. I see the den. Come on. You can do this. I know it's heavy, but you're a strong wolf. You're very strong. Oh, I want to have a look at you. Can I have a look at you? Why can't... It's being weird. Okay, there you go. Whoa, that's such cute. I always feel bad. I always feel bad. It's so cute. I'm not a mindless monster who doesn't care. I care. No, Bambi, we're gonna go in. Bambi. And you too, Olive. Guys. Are you deaf? Hello? There we go. Do you know? We're gonna hunt the mum elk as well. Should we hunt the baby? Nah. Should we hunt the baby? Sorry, we are gonna hunt the baby. Should we hunt it first? No, we won't. Unless we find it on our travels. Hopefully, oh look, there's Juno's footsteps. Hopefully she'll still be there and not wandered off really far. Oh look, she's there. Where is this baby? Where's mum? Where's mum? Where is she? Is that Moose? Oh, there she is. Get you. I mean, she's not gonna move anywhere, is she? Ow, ow, ow! That hurt. Come on, Juno, help. After this, we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna. I love how the moose is just watching, like, oh, she gonna die. It's fun itself how they just, abandon their babies. I guess it's to live. There we go. Yeah, we go. Come on, Juno. Well done. There you go. Well done, Rocket. Well done. There's a grizzly bear coming. Come on, eat. He's running, Juno. Eat. Quickly. He's running over. Juno! Oh my gosh, you're not going to get any. I'm going to pick some up then. Quickly, Juno. Eat, eat, eat. Why aren't you eating, Juno? Really? You're not going to get anything? Juno. Juno. Look, you eat. It's too late now. Should have gone when you had it. Just didn't eat. see if we can find... There it is. Perfect. Knew it. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.